Ni arutani makiria ma magana mugwanja a University ya Egerton matukanite na arutwo gutetia urugamiriri wa university ino ni kuremwo ni kumariha mishara yao kwa ihinda ria miaka 2. Uyu ni mugomo wa gatatu rungu rwa miaka 2 university-ini ino. Atongoria a kiama kia arutani ya university maugite Egerton niremetwo gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria mamenyetheire na gutire mathomo megutwarithio na mbere kinya riria university ino ikahota kuriha arutani yake.
I left you to deal with it as an Egerton University matter, and you have been defeated for the last 3 years. Now I want the whole country to know that there is a crisis here. Yes. The national organization secretary, you are here. Nikipata mtu anafundisha hapa. If you are a serious don, you will only go to class once I've given you permission.
Whatever is happening to our colleagues at Egerton University must stop. Yes. It must come to an end. Yes. These are people who are working hard. Today they are flanked by their own students who are supporting their cause. They also want to be taught, but they must be taught by lecturers who earn their rightful salary.
Kiama kia UASU kiugite arutani makoretwo makirihwo gicunji kia 57 tu kia mishara yao naguo kurituhia murutire wao wa wira. Kiama giki kirenda kanjo nene ya university nwe fujo niguo kurehe urugamiriri mweru uria ukurumboyania na mateta ma arutani hamwe na arutwo.
Egerton University challenges must be resolved today and not tomorrow.
Yes.
They cannot be talking, agitating about their concerns, and they all land in deaf ears. Is this country listening?
We wanted Egerton University to solve their internal problem, and now they have been defeated. For that matter, I want even the university council of this university to step aside, because there's nothing they are doing here. This council should be dissolved. What have they been doing from 2012? Honorably, the council of this university should resign or the government dissolves it. They are not adding any value to this institution. What are they doing?
Arutwo a Egerton ni marakaritio ni mugomo uyu makiuga o mwaka gutire hindi mathomo magite kurugamio kwa ihinda ni undu wa migomo na moritie thirikari kuhiuka narua na kurumboyania na mathina maria mangetheire university no itanathinikana.
Since we joined this university, there is no single year that we have went through without issues. There are a lot of problems going around this university. Students are suffering.
Murugamiriri wa university no Professor Isaac Kibwage augite gutire na mbeca cia kuriha arutani na kumahe nyongerera amu university ni haru. Kibwage oritie thirikari yongerere kigina kiria university ithukagirwo amu mionera ya mbeca mibango-ini itiganite ya university irathie na mbere na gukundera.
If we pay only salary, do we close the university? The answer is no. That's why we have written many times to the government, and the government has promised they look into it.
Arutwo university-ini ino moritio mainuke nginya riria ndũgamano ĩno ĩgatuithanio. Atongoria a UASU makiarĩra mĩario na ministry ya gĩthomo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwangi wa Maina.